of Ms. Johnson, which is Article 208. So, Article 208 is the prosecution of offenses, negligence, and tolerance. So, the penalty of person correctional and its minimum period and suspension shall be imposed upon any public officer or officer of the law who in dereliction of the duties of his office shall maliciously refrain from instituting prosecution for the punishment of violators of the law or shall tolerate the commission of offense. So, any public officer, so appeal diri ang mga attorney or mga law enforcer. So, tanan na mo-fail sa ilang duty nga mo kuwan sa ilahang kung sa kanilang rules as a public officer, so mo ni siya ang penalty na ilahang madawat, which is person correctional in its minimum period. So, acts punishable. 1. By maliciously refraining from instituting prosecution against violators. So, heading number 1, so fails to investigate or prosecute. So, someone who broke the law when they should. So, kung saka ka public prosecutor o niya, ikuan ka, i-violate ka, or wala din mo ganit mo ang imong duty as a public enforcer or prosecutor, mo na siya, kaya sabot ka, ano na, kuan, na, act. Next is by maliciously tolerating the commission of offenses. So, meaning aning tolerating, imuharang i-tolerate sa'yo. Diba? Sa'yo, wala na ganit lang sa'yo, imuharang yung tina-tolerate. Usa ka public officer, natin ay madawat ng consequences. So, the title of the article uses the word negligence, which should not be understood merely as lack of foresight or skill. The word negligence simply means neglect of duties, or diba, ipabayaan mo yung duty, or ibuhat ka ba? Ibuhat ka sa yung duty. Wala din mo ibuhat yung duty as a public officer. So, elements of the dereliction of duty in the prosecution of offenses. So, that the offender is a public officer or officer of the law who has duty to cause the prosecution of or prosecute offenses. So, muna siya, kailangan kung offender ka, kailangan usa ka public officer or officer of the law. Pero kung dili ka public officer or officer of the law, dili ka masulatan ng case. Next. So that there is the dereliction of the duties of his office, that is knowing that the commission of the crime does not cause the prosecution of criminal. So, balik-balik ka, the dereliction or iyahang duty as a public officer or law enforcer. Next. So, the next article is Article 209, Betrayal of Trust by Attorney or Solicitor. Revelation of Secret. So, the penalty of person correctional in its minimum period. So, kung sa una, ito ang penalty niya, correction, person correctional. And kini parihari kapon in minimum period. Ayun, a fine ranging from 200 to 1,000 pesos or both. So, by attorney. So number one, by causing damage of his client either by any malicious breach of professional duty, by inexcusable negligence or ignorance. So, kung makadamage ganin ka sa usa ka rights or kanang privacy sa imuhang kliyente, mapanish ka ani siya. Next is by revealing any of the secrets of his client learned by him in his professional capacity. So, kung usa ka public enforcer, kailangan dili mo i-reveal iyang mga secrets. Kailangan imuha na. Kung imo na i-reveal sa uban, imo i-share. So, makakuhat ka ani. So next is number 3. By undertaking the defense of the opposing party in the same case without the consent of his client. Undertaking ka means kuha na siya. Anang murag na kay kinakot na case. Okay, si Miss Johnson. Isa siya sa public officer. Kunya na siya kuha na siya sa offense. Duha di ba na sa offense of sa offense na side o sa ika side. Pinanikuan siya. Sa offense, sabi siya. Bali na po siya sa pikas dire, mga side. Wala siya nagkuan atap o consent or ngayok consent sa iyang first client. So, kuan po siya, punish po siya ani nga act or i-betray niya ang iyang client. Next is Section 2, bribery. So, Article 210, direct bribery. So, any public officer who shall agree to perform an act constituting a crime in connection with the performance of his official duties in consideration of any offer. So, direct bribery. So, mura yapon, public officer yapon siya. Nga nag-perform o kanang act nga kung gani, mura mga offer or kanang suhol ba? Suhol. Kung usa ka public officer na ngayon ka suhol ba? Parang mo ng imong duty o para sa ilaha. In favor sa ilaha. Kung ano siya, bribery. So, the penalty of person mayor na siya in its medium and maximum per use. And a fine of not less than the value of gift and less than the 3 times the value of the gift, in addition to the penalty corresponding to the crime agreed upon. So, kung bilang yatag sa inuha, 3 times or not less than 3 times. So, acts punishable in direct bribery. A public officer commits direct bribery. 1. By agreeing to perform or by performing in consideration of any offer, promise, gift, or present an act constituting a crime in connection with the performance of official duties. So, klaro na kayo, miss. Usa ka public officer, mag-agree ka o perform sa kuan ka ilahang ginaingon or ilang ilasugo sa imuha, mo perform in consideration sa offer, sa promise or sa gift or present na ihatag sa imuha, so punishable ka ani nga act. So, number 2, by accepting a gift in consideration of the execution of an act which does not constitute a crime in connection with the performance of his official duty. So, ni-accept ka o sa ka-gift, binigit na gift na kwarta, ang yung kwarta po. So, dili ba gani, sa ka-aming judge niya. Pero magyalag na sa uban mo nga, ay uban na duty ba magawa sa duty kung mo pinaobra. Next, by agreeing to refrain or by refraining from doing something which is his official duty to do in consideration of gift or promise. So, abi, kanang isa ka ka-judge o niya naayo sa ka-offender or kanang relative sa offender ba, kinatagaan ka o gift or something, o niya, mo judgment ka, mukan ka, iwan natin mo siya, guilty or so kung yataga labi ka o niya, ang relative atong sa ka-offender is, iniwan siya ba nga, ipag-guilty na siya. So, tagad man kanya ang gift, ipag-guilty ni ko siya, hindi ka siya guilty. Elements of direct bribery. So, sige na balik-balik may the offender is public officer within the scope of Article 203. So, B, the offender accept an offer or a promise or receive a gift or present by himself or through another. Pwede na i-direct mo sa iyang maghatag ang gift or through another person para mahatag sa imuha. So, that such offer or promise be accepted or gift or present received by the public officer with a view committing some crime or in consideration of execution of an act which does not constitute a crime, but the act must be unjust or to refrain from doing something which is his official duty to do. So, balik-balik pa kayo sa yapong domain. So, D, that the act which the offender agrees to perform or which he executes be connected with the performance of his duties. So, Article 211, indirect bribery. The penalties of arresto mayor, so mas lugo na sa direct bribery. So, suspension in its minimum and medium period. 15 and public censure shall be imposed upon any public officer who shall accept gifts offered to him by reason of his office. So, elements that the offender is a public officer, balik-balik na po namin, that he accept gifts, wala siyang tatawag, hindi na siya mukha na ng one. Okay. That the said gifts are offered to him by reason of his office. So, ipatawag ka sa office or sa opisina niya and dito iyatak ang iyang gift or iyatak sa iya para sa iya. So, Article 211 qualified bribery. If any public officer is entrusted with law enforcement and he refrains from arresting or prosecuting an offender who has committed a crime, punishable by reclusion perpetua and or death in consideration of any offer. So, any public officer na refrain sa ilahang duties na mo-arrest sa usa ka offender nga nikuhat o usa ka crime. So, punishable siya by reclusion perpetua and or death in consideration of any. So, elements that the offender is a public officer entrusted with law enforcement, that the offender refrains from arresting or prosecuting an offender who has committed the crime punishable by reclusion perpetua and or death. That the offender refrains from arresting or prosecuting the offender in consideration of any promise, gift, or present. So, parehas sa kabutan ng kung public officer, yun, wala ka naibuhat sa imong duties o responsibilities, masulod ka anin na so, Article 212, corruption of public officials, lalo na kayo sa title, corrupt. The same penalties imposed upon the officer corrupted except those of disqualified and suspension. Kaya na itong last na mga buwan. Penalties. So, elements. That the offender makes offer or promises or gift or present to a public officer. So, sa ka public officer, ang ihatagan o gift or promises. So, number 2, that the offers or promise are made or the gifts of presents given to a public officer under circumstances that will make the public officer liable for direct bribery or indirect bribery. O sa law enforcer na nihatag o gift or promise sa usa ka public officer. So, thank you, mates.